So now see, Cunningham, when he became Director General of ASI, then what happened? In those days, boys, the historians and archaeologists, they preferred written words to reconstruct the history, because according to them, this was more authentic source to know the history and to reconstruct the history. That's why most of the historians they preferred written words, and for that they go through inscriptions and texts. They took the support of inscriptions and text. Cunningham, he firmly believed that Indian history began with the emergence of cities in Ganga Valley, and period was 6th century BCE to 6th century CE. So he was interested in this period, and later, and and he took interest in studying the accounts left by the Buddhist Chinese pilgrims who visited India during 4th and 7th centuries. He translated, documented, and even published. But you know, boys, what was the problem? Why was he confused? Because he firmly believed in a history began with that, and he was interested in that particular period, 6th century BCE to 6th century CE. And you know what the itinerary means? Ancient documents, historic documents left by the Buddhist pilgrims, they did not mention about the Harappan sites. And it was not known to Indian people, not known to anyone, that Harappa existed and there was a well-developed city. Harappa was the earliest, it was not known as the earliest city of India. And when excavation took place and many Harappan artifacts were found fairly, means at large scale, some of these reached Cunningham. He understood that it had a cultural value, but he did not realize how old these were. Even later on, a seal was given to him by an Englishman, and unsuccessfully he tried to place it within time frame with which he was familiar, means from 6th century BCE to 6th century CE. And because like others, even Indians, they thought that Indian history began with the emergence of cities. You know, history means when the cities came up, and since then the period of history begins. Before that period, prior to this period, is known as a prehistory. So they firmly believed it. That's why he didn't understand. Cunningham could not understand, and he did not understand the significance of Harappan civilization. This was his confusion. Okay, boys, thank you. In next class, we will discuss about new civilization and Deadman Lane, and I would reveal the point of view of the Europeans, scholars, and also some Indian historians, how they interpreted the history in a wrong way. Okay, thank you.